and we're going to start this week by looking at the DXY again. So the DXY is the dollar strength index. We looked at this not last week, but the previous few weeks, seeing it trading within this channel that we have drawn out here in blue on the chart. And we were waiting for it to hit the top of our channel, where we've recently, the last week, pushed above. And actually, the trading buddy got us a bull print here, like you can see on the chart. And now what we're waiting for is, of course, for the strength band in our trading buddy there, the red band needs to flip to green and confirm the support resistance flip there to basically confirm we're going to continue to move up. Or if we don't get that flip, we'll see that this was a divergence, a break out of the trend with a retrace back into the trend. And, depending on how that plays out, we're definitely going to use that information to inform our stock trading moving forward. But you can see here, the last week has closed now with a bull print, clearly pushed above the channel. And it's, the RSI is a little overbought, so it's a little bit high. We're looking for it to retrace, and that's kind of what we're seeing in the current week. So you can see the current open candle there has 3 days left to close. It's kind of it's Monday right now, so we're gonna
So it did push up past the strength band, like you said, and we've been tracking this channel for months right now.
Yeah.
I mean, we shared when it was at the bottom. If you look back at our earlier video, we shared how it's going to hit the top of the channel, and it did. And now it's pushed through, which is important. And like Max said, we have a bull signal. Now it's pushed through. What it's going to try to do is basically try to either bounce on this, flip it, and then continue up. That's usually what happens when you break out from a channel, a pennant, whatever. It's usually it always tries to retest and then flip it. It's called the SR flip.
And if you haven't drawn your own channel like this, you should expect that bounce to happen right on where the strength band is for the trading buddy indicator.
Right. So if you see it lines up exactly where the strength band is. And how our indicator works is is that if you get a bear print, a bear signal with the red band, it just means that you're going to go into a downtrend. And if you get a bull and a green band, just like we did, you can see here, it goes into an uptrend. So it takes away the need for any technical analysis or anything. All you need to do is just use the indicator.
Exactly.
You can trade very easily,
Yeah, you have your signal, and you have your resistance support line, where if we're in a bull trend, I want to see closes happening above that line in the green, and if I have the bear trend, I want to see those closes happening below the line in the red. And just like you're seeing right here, we just got the green print, not yet the green band flip, but we are starting to close a full week last week above that indicator's strength band. That's a really bullish sign. That, of course, mixed with the bull signal.
Exactly. Now, what can also happen is that this could be a bull trap, in the sense that if the price, if we shift the chart, we can say on the weekly, but if the price falls back down, then it's probably gonna so let's do this once again. So I'll just mark out a new line here. So if the price goes back down and falls below support, and then it can do this. So, and that's called a deviation, where it fails to bounce on support.
Yeah. So we are still watching for that band flip and for that bounce on that line to confirm what we're seeing now is not just a deviation and is in fact a SR flip, or flipping the support, the resistance into support.
Exactly. So because the dollar has cooled off and it's dropping, today the stocks have been up. If you look at the S&P 500 or the QQQ, the NASDAQ indexes, they've been up. And you can see basically it's moved, and we've talked about this before, it moves in the opposite direction.
Yeah.
as the US dollar, which is the DXY that you're seeing here.